Hey kids, let's learn A to Z animals. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for iguana.
J for jaguar.
K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nut. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for urchin. V for vulture. W for walrus. X for zeus. Y for yak. And Z for zebra.